8th class mathematics. In the 8th class mathematics, third chapter is construction of quadrilaterals. In the construction of quadrilaterals, exercise 3.1. In the exercise 3.1, first problem is construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 5.5 centimeters, BC equal to 3.5 centimeters, CD equal to 4 centimeters, AD equal to 5 centimeters, and angle A equal to 45 degrees. So to construct this, we have to take a geometry box. In the geometry box, we require some of the instruments, that is compass, protractor, scale, sharpener, eraser. These five total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 instruments are required to construct a quadrilateral in this chapter. So first one is construct a quadrilateral ABCD with AB equal to 5.5 centimeters. See one time, AB equal to 5.5 centimeters we have to construct. So this is a scale, this is the white part. To take measurements, we have to take 0 to 5.5. 0 to, we have to take 0 to 5.5. Carefully remember it. 0 to 5.5, that is AB. AB equal to, we have to write the measurements itself, 5.5 centimeters. Next, BC equal to 3.5 centimeters. BC we cannot draw with a scale. After drawing a first line segment, everything you have to draw with compass, either protractor. BC equal to 3.5 centimeters. Angle A equal to 45 degrees. It is a protractor. Angle A 45 degrees. How can you take angle A? This is 45 degrees. How can we take? See one time. This is the protractor. Straight 90 degrees angle is there. Here is a black line. This black line should coincide with AB. Angle A is A దగ్గర పెట్టాలి, B ఇస్తే B దగ్గర పెట్టాలి. సో ఇక్కడ A అనేది angle A equal to 45 degrees. This vertical line place exactly at A, and see here, this black line must coincide with the that AB line segment. 45 degrees, 10, 20, 30, 40, 45. 45 will be middle of the 40 and 50. This is 45 degrees. Draw a ray with the help of scale through this point. Let this ray can be taken as X. This angle is 45 degrees. Now BC measurement 3.5 centimeters. Take 3.5 centimeters with the help of compass. Take 3.5 centimeters with the help of compass carefully. 3.5 centimeters with the help of compass. Exactly 3.5. BC. Where is B? This is the B. From B, draw an arc. From B, you have to 3.5 centimeters. From B, draw an arc. Or see one time, here arc is not intersecting with this ray. Then what we have to do? We have to take AD equal to 5 centimeters. Then take A to D, that is 5 centimeters. A to D, that is AD 5 centimeters from A to D. This keep an arc intersecting point as D. AD, write the measurements as 5 centimeters. Now BC equal to 3.5 centimeters. Take B to BC 3.5. Take 3.5 centimeters carefully with the help of compass. From B, draw an arc this side. BC, draw an arc. Now we constructed AB, BC, AD and angle A. CD we did not constructed. So CD equal to 4 centimeters. Take 4 centimeters on the scale with the help of compass. From D, cut it. CD, from D, cut it. These two arcs intersecting point is C. Now join BC with the help of scale and join CD also with the help of scale. With the help of scale, write the measurements. BC measurement is the 3.5 centimeters. CD measurement is the 4 centimeters. Verify it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 measurements are given. Whether we write here 5 measurements or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have to write the steps of construction also. Steps of construction. Below the diagram, you have to write the steps of construction. How to write the steps of construction? First point is draw a line segment AB equal to 5 centimeters. Next point, A as a center, making an angle 45 degrees, draw a ray AX. Next point, A as a center, radius 5 centimeters, draw an arc on the ray AX which cuts at D. Next point, take 3.5 centimeters as radius with the help of compass. From B, draw an arc. Take 4 centimeters with the help of compass. From D, cut the previous arc. These two arcs intersecting point is C. Next point is join BC and CD. Last point is this is the required quadrilateral ABCD is formed. So this is the constructing quadrilateral when the 5 measurements is given for the 8th class students. Exercise 3.1 problem. After constructing, below the construction diagram, you have to write the steps of construction, then only you can get the full marks. If you draw only construction without writing steps of construction, you cannot get the full marks.